What are you working on, Nick? Bliss?
Well, you know those Ridgid, you see in like Steve Carmichael's videos, the Ridgid sander, the oscillating sander and everything?
Yeah.
Well, I've had mine since the infancy that they came out with them. And there's the knob on the top to change out the belt sander and change it into a spindle sander. Well, mine's brass, and somehow a while back the threads got all screwed up. Either when I put it on, I took it off, I don't know. So I came up with this idea, like, I'm not cool enough to have a 3D printer.
Yeah.
But I thought, well, if I took some resin and sprayed around the threads and put a cup over it, kind of make a form, and then pour the resin in there, it'll form around the threads and I'll be able to twist it off. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you think that this is something that you could do, I mean, definitely use some of the techniques that I used. Use the clay around a thread, put a mold, like I used the little cup, the little deli cup or whatever they are, and just kind of, mix up some resin, part A, part B, put it together, and make sure that your mold is all mold released as I had first, and then pour those A and B's together. So I hope you'll like this project. This was a kind of a quick DIY, and I really appreciate you taking the time. If you'd like to see more of what I do, please subscribe. I do put out videos every Friday, and I do have what I'm calling Talkie Tuesday. That's a show that I put out on Tuesdays, and a lot of times I include my son. Those you can only find on my website at nicholasgomez.com, and I do have a drop-down link on the main navigation bar, so you can find those at nicholasgomez.com and give a watch, and give me some comments there as well. So I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye. We'll be right back.